this course is an advantage for the students who are like doing other options like CA or UPSC or anything else. So you are free to do this course.
I have got placed. I found very good people here. Like the
Hi, I'm Maya. I'm pursuing psychology honors from IP second year.
मेरा नाम मितांशी है, मैं BMMC की थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट हूँ IPCW से.
Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and I'm from BAP department. I'm currently in the IP college and I'm a first year student.
So hi guys, I'm Sonam Srivastav, the president of the Department of Commerce of IPCW.
So hi guys, I'm Bhavya. I'm not the president nor I hold any POR in the society of college, but still.
Third year.
Yeah, I'm a third year student.
Hi guys, so I am Varsha and I'm back on DU Insider where I give you insider information about DU. तो आज हम आए हैं IPCW, that is my college, and I'll tell you कि यहाँ पे जो departments है, how does the department and the course align and how do the students like the department in this college. Let's go! Why did you choose this course?
I chose this course mainly because of a book I read back when I was in 10th grade. Yeah, it was a very impulsive decision. I've been hooked on to the book is called Turtles All the Way Down. Ever since I read that book, I've been hooked on to psychological disorders, how the mind works, various psychological techniques and all that. So yeah, that book was my starting point for psychology, and from there my interest grew, and here I am today.
Okay, so what is the fees of this department in this college?
मेरे को तो नहीं पता. It's around 27,000 per semester.
Like, is this course more theory or practical?
We have both. We have both in abundance. So this course is very demanding. You have every semester you have 3 subjects for your core. जिसमें max to max you will have 2 practical papers for sure. And we have labs. It can be lab practical. We have assessments. All that works go on within the semesters. And theory is also in abundance because obviously readings बहुत होता है, research papers. So I would say it's filled with both in very much abundance.
Okay, so what are the academic related societies in the college and what are the events they host? Like recently there was a mental health and this photography booth thing, so please explain about that.
अच्छा हाँ, तो हमारे डिपार्टमेंट में वी जस्ट हैव अ साइकोलॉजी एसोसिएशन. दैट इज़ अ साइकोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट का ही एसोसिएशन. इट्स वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर सोसाइटीज रिलेटेड टू साइकोलॉजी और mental health in this college as far as I'm aware. We conduct various events. We conduct events for World Mental Health Day. Recently we did this practicum on photo voice method. That is a methodology where you show real life experiences through the essence of photographs. And yeah, so we had an event based on that as one for practicums. It was very nice to put that into an event. And yeah, we have many events. We conduct our annual fest, that is Manovrati, and yes, that is all. We have various events that goes on. Beach May. We have talks. We have all that.
Okay, and what about like how are the professors?
The professors are amazing. I hands down would say we have the best professors in the whole of the college. So yes, we like to believe that.
Some like
Strong force. Yes, it's a claim.
okay, what are the industry related internships the college provides, and what are the career options that are open to you guys?
Career options are wide. Many students are not aware, but we have a lot of options. We have public policy making, something I'm personally interested in. We have clinical, we have counseling, we have forensic, we have sports. You can go into any divergence of field you would like, and and even organization for that matter of fact. Internships. The college does not provide internships as such. It's something you have to seek out and find out on your own. And especially psychology internships are very hard to find. So, yes.
Okay, so what is the toughest subject you find in your curriculum? Like you are in second year now, 4th semester. So
So the toughest subject, I would say, I am not a very when a lot of information comes into me, मेरा attention span ऐसा घूम जाता है. So I would say it was PFPI for me. PFPI is foundations of psychological paradigms. So
yeah, I quite didn't understand that, but yeah, kudos to you guys. Okay, so yeah, so how does the college help you with the department? Like how does they provide you support?
Can we know?
Okay, I'll put this.
Yes, this question should be on hold because
Say something. Say it.
yes, because the college does provide support to the department in many senses, but also this not the college can only provide funds or allow us permissions to do events. The rest depends on the department, what they conduct, how they conduct. Everything depends on the department.
How do you like the whole crowd of
Psychology, amazing. The best thing about psychology department is its crowd. The people are absolute gems. So yes, so yeah, psychology department. I would. The best thing about psych department is its people. So
Amazing people, bhai. I love these people. So yeah, thank you for existing. आपने कोर्स क्यों चूज किया?
सो मेरे को स्टार्टिंग से वीडियोग्राफी, फोटोग्राफी, मार्केटिंग तीनों चीज़ों का ही काफ़ी शौक था एंड ये एक ऐसा कोर्स था जिसमें सब कुछ मुझे ऑल इन वन मिल रहा था, सो दैट इज़ वाई.
Okay, so ये जो कोर्स है वो मोर थियरी साइड है या फिर प्रैक्टिकल साइड है?
इट इज़ अ मिक्स ऑफ बोथ, बट आई वुड से जो सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं जो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज डिज़र्व करते हैं तो उनमें हमेशा हमारा प्रैक्टिकल ही होता है. जैसे फोटोग्राफी के जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनमें थ्योरी हमारी कम होती है, सो हमें रियल लाइफ इंडस्ट्री का ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस होता है.
कॉलेज में कोर्स रिलेटेड सोसाइटीज़ कैसी हैं?
We have our own film and photography society. It is called Simulacra. It is a well-functioning, active society.
What about the core academic society?
We don't have as such any academic society, but our department in itself is the only department in the college. So yeah, that pretty much acts as the sole purpose.
How are the professors? Like आप उनको टीचिंग पसंद है या फिर कुछ ऐसा कंट्रोवर्सी?
Not really. The professors are very nice. सब लोग अपने subjects में बहुत skilled है, बहुत knowledgeable है. They're always there to help us. So yeah, I had a good experience.
एंड इंडस्ट्री रिलेटेड एक्सपोजर मिलता है कॉलेज में, इंटर्नशिप्स वगैरह?
Definitely. So in our second year, it is compulsory for each of the students to do an internship. So our professors help us get those internships as well. But of course, we as students also do a lot of work.
नाउ सिंस यू आर इन थर्ड ईयर, तो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा टफ सब्जेक्ट कौन सा लगा अभी तक?
That is a little difficult. I don't think any subject is tough. It is, see, I don't like history that much. So whenever we're studying media ki history and all, that is something I don't like. But it is not tough. It depends on your interest.
सो लाइक what are the career options open for you, और आप किस चीज़ को pursue करने वाले हो?
There are multiple career options that are open. Either you can go in the news industry, you can be a reporter, writer, editor, or you can go to a completely different end and, you know, pursue Bollywood. You can go for photography, cinematography, anything like that. Or in a completely different academy of whatever, you can pursue marketing and all of that. So pretty much all options are open with this course.
How does the college support your department about all the fests that happen? Like recently भी LC होने वाला है and
Our college is very supportive since this is the only department, this is the only college that offers this department in the whole of DU. We also had an international film festival recently in October. So it was a hit. Our college is pretty supportive for our department.
okay, thank you. And if you don't want to get into the BMMC department, you can still get into the GC media because I am from the media GC. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you so much. What are your combinations for BAP?
My combinations are economics and computer application.
So why did you choose this course?
Like I have interest in economics, so for that subject I chose this.
So is your course more theory or more practical side?
Not actually, like it's a combination of both, theoretical and practical.
Course related society in the college?
Not course related societies. I didn't find any of them, so I would not say that course related societies.
Are you still in a society?
I'm not in the course related society, but I'm in the like music society.
Okay, you are in the EC society. Got it. So how are the professors and do you like their teaching method and or kuch?
Yeah, they are quite good. Like they are frank and very friendly, so they are good.
How are the professors different from school?
Not different, they are like them, but they are more friendly and like more open about the college and the students. They understand us, so
Yeah. Okay. Are there any internship opportunities and what are the career options that are open to you guys?
For economics I can say there are many like commerce students must know that there are many options, but the like JEET, this is a like option for the internships, and you'll get to know if you enter
Like
in the-
Jeet Placement Society?
yeah, that is, and it is quite good and it is working.
Like what is also your opinion about this course in this college?
Course like if you are focusing on the main subjects for the commerce student, I have a commerce background, so like for this I can say that for specialties, like I have economics as a special subject, so for this I can say that analyst options, like if anybody wants to be an economic analyst, then he or she can choose that.
So what are your, like, what did you find the toughest of the all? Like, which subject was your toughest in the whole curriculum? Like, as a first year at least.
Tough, I would say computer application. It is quite tough, but we will manage.
Okay, and what are your career options? Like, what have you decided to be after college?
Oh, right now I'm doing CA. So that is a different, like this course is an advantage for the students who are like doing other options like CA or UPSC or anything else. So you are free to do this course. That is good option.
Like, it gives you more time or
More time, and it's quite easy also that you can manage both the things.
okay, how does this college support your department?
To be very frank, the timetable is very chaotic, and they just mention the day before the event or anything happening, they just tell you a day before or an hour before that. So for this thing, I'm very disappointed about the college. So sorry.
Okay, that was very nice meeting you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, what made you choose this course?
So it was from like कुछ ऐसा प्लानिंग नहीं था. बेसिक सबने, मेरे सिस्टर ने बीकॉम ऑनर्स लिया, तो जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो, उनके साथ साथ मैंने भी बीकॉम ऑनर्स ले लिया ऐसे.
आपने?
Like I took commerce in the 12th standard, 11th 12th में, तो मैं सोचा ठीक है आगे CA या कुछ ऐसा करना होगा, तो for that reason I chose commerce, BCom honors.
And is this course more theory or more practical?
आई से इट्स अ मिक्स, क्योंकि बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में आपको थ्योरी और प्रैक्टिकल दोनों होता है. आपकी लैब क्लासेस होती है, तो इफ़ यू चूज़ अ सब्जेक्ट तो फिर आपको ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपको मैथ्स भी होना चाहिए, आपको अकाउंट्स भी होना चाहिए, आपको थ्योरी रटना भी आना चाहिए, बिकॉज लॉस भी है, तो इट इंक्लूड्स अ पूरा मिक्स.
Right, true, she's right. And like जो lab classes होती है, I think they are very informative because Excel वगैरह काफ़ी सिखाया जाता है. Even हमें first sem में Tally वगैरह भी सिखाया जाता है. तो I think these are the good subjects. So yeah.
Okay. And like, what are the course-related societies, like the academic societies in this college?
सो IPCW में बिगेस्ट जो फ्लॉ है वो यही है कि देयर आर नो सोसाइटीज़, कोई ऐसे एक्टिव सोसाइटीज़ है नहीं. और स्पेसिफिकली कोर्स रिलेटेड जो कॉमर्स से रिलेटेड हो, जैसे बाकी कॉलेज में यू कैन सी ऐसे बिजनेस करके जो होती हैं कंसल्टिंग सोसाइटीज़, वी डोंट हैव, वी जस्ट हैव अ सिंपल सोसाइटी कॉम बेस द कॉमर्स एकेडमिक सोसाइटी बस.
Like the
Same, Okay, so how are the professors' teaching method? Do you like it, or do you have any improvement or?
सो आई से अभी हमारे टाइम पे मैनी टीचर्स हैव रिटायर्ड, जो सीनियर टीचर्स थी, देयर टीचिंग प्रैक्टिसेस वर आल्सो गुड, एंड न्यू टीचर्स हैव आल्सो बीन जॉइंड, एंड उनके प्रैक्टिसेस अलग हैं. दे आर मोर, यू कैन से प्रैक्टिस्ड फॉर दैट NEP वाला स्ट्रक्चर. सो आई थिंक दे आर गुड.
Yeah, teachers are good and there are few professors वो काफ़ी cooperative भी हैं. And पर ठीक है, like थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें रहती हैं, everyone has their own flaws and things, but yeah, still faculty is quite cooperative and good.
Okay, so what are the industry-related internships that are open to you in this college, and what are you going to pursue?
Like I was going through the placements जो अभी चल रही हैं, so I have got placed, and हमारे
Placed.
Ditto Insurance Company, it's an work from home job profile, so it's very good for me. Also हमारे placement सेल जो है वो various internship वो float करते रहते हैं in our WhatsApp group, so I think it's good college for placements and internship वगैरह के लिए.
Yeah, and like colleges में, हमारे कॉलेज में जो प्लेसमेंट सेल है वो एक ग्लोबल यूनिवर्सिटी फेयर भी ऑर्गेनाइज कराते हैं एवरी ईयर. तो आई थिंक लाइक फॉर एनीवन हु वांट्स टू परस्यू देयर हायर एजुकेशन आउटसाइड द कंट्री, वो उसको भी काफ़ी एक्सपोजर मिल सकता है. एंड फॉर इंटर्नशिप्स रेगुलर मैसेजेस आते रहते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट चेक आउट द ग्रुप्स एंड अप्लाई वेयर एवर यू वांट टू अप्लाई. And even like for internships, you have the college name, so you can make your CV nice. And LinkedIn के through you can also apply all for the internships.
And what are like the average package you can get through the
I
placement?
think it's getting reduced only, क्योंकि like पहले जो companies आती थी they haven't come this year because fourth year भी है, तो companies they come alternatively. तो इस बार बहुत कम अच्छी companies आई है, we can say tier 1 companies that is 8 लाख से ऊपर वाली पैकेज वो आई नहीं है, मुश्किल से I guess 1-2 आई होंगी.
Right. हाँ. तो बट ठीक है, प्लेसमेंट्स में बिकॉज ऑफ द जॉब मार्केट आजकल काफ़ी वैसा डायनेमिक है, तो मे बी फॉर दैट रीज़न हम बोल सकते हैं. बट स्टिल आर प्लेसमेंट सेल इज ट्राइंग टू गेट एवरीवन प्लेस. सो
Okay, so maybe it's because of the off-campus they are trying.
Yeah.
Okay. So what have you found the toughest subject in your curriculum as of now?
Income tax.
Yeah, true. Income tax was literally very tough.
God, I'm scared. I'm actually scared. Shit. Okay, so what are the, like, how is the college supporting this society, this department?
Yeah. Like for the college, if I would say department is good, I found very good people here. Like the friends I got and the people, like they are someone जो मैं कभी भूल नहीं पाऊंगी. So I think वो एक ऐसा motivating factor रहा that you want to stay. Like there are a lot of options कि ठीक है नहीं हो रहा है migrate करो या कुछ भी करो, but still जो people लोग मिल जाते हैं जो friends होते हैं, like नहीं ठीक है, you have to stay here. Assignments रात में 12 बजे भी जाके ठीक है, let's do this, let's do. So I think this is something.
स्पेसिफिक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए मेरे को नहीं लगता कि कॉलेज कर रहा है कुछ. दो दे हैव फॉर्म्ड ऐसे कमिटीज़ बनाई है, फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी कमेटी, स्टार्टअप कमेटी, पर वो स्पेसिफिक डिपार्टमेंट के लिए नहीं है, वो पूरे ऐसे कॉलेज के लिए. तो डिपार्टमेंट के लिए स्पेसिफाइड कुछ नहीं है, पूरा कॉलेज को वो एक साथ लेके चल रहा है कॉलेज. आई से दैट.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
हमारा बेकार इंटरव्यू कैसा लगा? होप यू गाइस लाइक इट.
Thank you.